Hi guys, welcome to my channel and open any browsers and type in the URL msci.com and then hit enter. After that you can see right inside search icon, just click on it. Then enter the model number of your motherboard MEG Z790 GODLIKE Max and then hit enter. After that your motherboard search on this website, then scroll down. You can see this is your motherboard and just click on this name of the tile. Wait few seconds to browse properly this website. After that click on support. You can see this is support tab. Then scroll down, select the driver and download. Then BIOS, click on BIOS and select the driver. Scroll down and select the operating system Windows 7 Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Then this is your driver, so first system and chipset, and this is download. Just click download to start downloading. You can see after that the VGA display driver. So same, just click to download. After that LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, bluetooth driver, Wi-Fi driver, you can see. So this is a Bluetooth driver and just click to download. This is a Wi-Fi driver and click to download. This is the network LAN driver and this is 10 GB super LAN. So this is ultra driver, you can see, and click to download. So all you can see it is start downloading. And after that audio driver, so this is audio driver and click to download. Then this is all start downloading, it will complete, then I show you how to install. So guys, after that some time it's completed, then you can see this is your required driver. Just click on full download history and after that click on this folder where it is downloaded. Okay, so first guys, you can install directly, you just double click. Otherwise you can extract one by one in same location and then you can install. Okay, so install directly, just double click to open, then VGA, and this is installer, double click. Then click to yes. After that loading the driver and then install. Wait few seconds to install. It will take some time and depend about your system's other configuration. And very simple, next to install. So this is installing. After that click on bring install. Now the checking the system configurations. After this is installed and then closest. Then this is the LAN driver, just double click to open this folder, and this is setup, just double click to launch. and then click to yes. Now you can see this is preparing to install, and wait few seconds to installations. And then click to, and yes, after the installations, and then finish it, and then close. This is Intel driver of this. So double click to open, and require the all driver to install. This is a SATA drivers. So double click and just RSTLs double click, and then click to yes. This driver is not mandatory to require to your monitor motherboard. And then quit, and then close it. After that, this is audio driver. Just single click to open this folder, and find out setup.exe, scroll down, and just double click to launch. After that, require the administrator rights to click yes. Then next. Now this is installing the audio driver. Wait few seconds to complete. So audio driver installing. So it is installed. So no reset letter to finish. When it is all completed, then restart. So this is chipset driver. Just double click to open, and select this folder to again. After that, double click to open, and this is setup chipset driver. So again click to double click. After that, require the administrator rights to click to yes. Then next, accept, and then install. After that, click to yes. Now this is installing. So it is done, and then click to OK, and then close. So guys, all the install and then restart your system. Thank you.